Hi, welcome to Ultrasonic LLC. We're going to demonstrate cleaning a aluminum cylinder head, camshaft, and rocker arm assembly in our new Ultra 3800 FLT. This is a lift table machine with agitation and automatic filtration. And what we're going to show you is how dirty the head is here. This is kind of right off the car. Here's the combustion chambers. And now all we need to do is go to our touch screen over here, and we're going to hit cycle start. And it's going to automatically lower the parts down into the machine. And when it gets down to the bottom, it's going to start the ultrasonic and the agitation. And we're going to do a 90-second cleaning cycle right now. We'll go ahead and shut the lid. And in 90 seconds, we're going to take a look at these parts. So if we go to our manual operation screen, we can see that we have our timer set at 90 seconds for the ultrasonic, 90 seconds for the agitation, and we have 10 seconds on filtration. So we have the green light right now, which that means it's ultrasonic cleaning and agitation. And when it gets done with that, it automatically goes into a filtration mode, which skims all the dirt and debris off the top of the water. And when it gets done with that, it goes to the red light, which means the cycle is complete. And then we can raise the parts out of the water and take a look at them. We've got 50 seconds right now. We have 40 more seconds to go. Cycle. Okay, now the filtration's on, and what that does is it actually skims the water, the oil and stuff that would float all the dirty debris off the top of the tank. Now with the lid closed, we have no capability of raising the lift table up. That's a safety feature that we've added to the machine. We don't want to rip the lid off the machine. So now we're going to go to the automatic up. When the lid's open all the way, it'll allow us to raise the parts up. And we'll take a look at what we've done here. 90 seconds. Pretty impressive. Let's look at the top side. Look at there, almost 90 seconds, got that thing clean. The camshaft's just about clean. The rocker arm assembly's just about clean. We're going to give it another 90 seconds and take a look at it. Let's raise it up one more time here. Go ahead and cycle start it. That water jumping around. It's called ultrasonic power. Now our filtration kick back on, and when that gets done, we'll raise the parts up out of the water and take a look at them again. Okay, let's bring them on up. Look there. That's almost clean. Pretty daggone close. Now, and it's hot too, by the way. Now you're going to see some real heavy stuff down here. What we recommend to do is just take a little brush and scratch that and run it one more time, and these parts will be clean. Now it's ready to disassemble. I would probably disassemble it first and then we'll clean it again. Thanks for visiting Ultrasonic LLC.